And welcome to another lesson of Master Everyday English. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on phrasal verbs. And we're going to look at phrasal verbs that you can use in real everyday conversations. Today, let's look at 8 different phrasal verbs. Many phrasal verbs can have multiple meanings. So for this video, I'm going to give you the phrasal verb and then I'm going to give you a definition of the phrasal verb that we're going to use in this video. So let's get started. Take off. Take off. So for example, to take time off means to take time away from your job, like a vacation. Catch up on something. Catch up on means to complete some work that you have remaining from an earlier time. Calm down. Calm down means to be less angry or less upset about something. Get into. In this video, we're using get into to mean to describe something in more detail. Go on. Again, multiple meaning phrasal verb, but in this video, we're using go on to mean continue to do something. Work out. To work something out means to try to find a solution for something. To step up. To step up means to take responsibility for something. Look after. To look after someone means to either take care of them physically, emotionally, or financially. Okay, now listen to an everyday conversation. Notice how these phrasal verbs are used in a very standard conversation. Also, don't forget, if you're interested in videos connected to phrasal verbs, to idioms, and also to everyday conversations, please check out the link here above and you'll go to my channel, Master Everyday English. Check out some more of those videos. How's work?
Busy. I took some time off, so now I have to catch up on last week.
Oh, that sucks. How are things going with your boss now?
Things have calmed down. I don't want to get into it, but since the meeting, he's been a lot better.
Oh, good. You spoke to him about the pay raise.
Yes, I told him I couldn't go on without a raise. If he couldn't work something out, I'd have to find another job.
Good. You work hard for that company. They need to step up and start looking after their employees. Let's just quickly review what those phrasal verbs were. We had take off, catch up on, calm down, get into, go on, work out, step up, look after. Okay, quick quiz. So, I'm going to give you the definition. See if you can remember what was the phrasal verb. Spending time away from your job. Take off. To find a solution for something. Work something out. To take care of somebody emotionally, physically, or financially. To look after. To be less angry or upset with someone. To calm down. To complete work that you have remaining from an earlier time. To catch up on. So, the last part of the lesson, just take a second. Think to yourself, can you think about something that you need to catch up on? Can you think of a time when you needed to calm down? Can you think of the last time you took off from work? Is there a situation where you recently needed to step up? Is there a particular issue that you've gotten into recently? Don't forget, if you enjoy the lessons, please give me a thumbs up and click to subscribe. I create new content every week, and if you check out the link above, you'll also find my channel, which is Master Everyday English. And I've already got lots of videos there connected to conversation, using idioms, using phrasal verbs. So go check out, especially some of those videos if you're interested in improving your vocabulary and your fluency. Go check out some of those videos on idioms.